10, 11, 12 years ago, my dentist said that I needed a periodontist to do some work, and he was very serious at the time. You know, I was afraid I was going to lose my teeth, actually, over it. I had some gum issues, and when they told me I needed to come see a specialist, that's when I started getting real nervous about procedures, and you know, they were talking about having to cut my gums and create flaps and do deep cleaning, and gosh, I was just a nervous wreck. I was afraid to walk in. So I came over, and he spent some time with me, and decided that I didn't need to go that far, and didn't need to do the surgery, the surgical flaps, and I don't know what all that's called, but I was just delighted that he was being honest with me. And so we started a pretty good relationship with the staff, and my mom had already been coming here, having the same procedure. So basically, he saved my teeth and did it without the surgery. Any kind of procedure, whether it's a dentist or a periodontist, or I'm just, my anxiety level just skyrockets. Not even the thought of going to one. And for years, that's probably what caused my problems, is not seeing a dentist frequently enough to where, I can take care of my gums and my teeth properly. So once I started coming to Jody and his staff, you walk in the front door, they've got the red carpet, and they put you at ease, and you feel comfortable, and it's the whole experience is completely different than what I was used to at a dentist. From the time you walk in till the time you sit down, knowing what I needed to relax me was the most important thing to them, and certainly became very important to me as we developed our relationship. All I know is they don't hurt me, and that's what's important. They never, never, never hurt me. That's why I like coming. No anxiety anymore. There's no pain.